Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase. This is the Citizen AW7031-54A Echo Drive watch. That's with all my purchases. I like doing these unboxings just to kind of remember the things I've bought in the past. In case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same watch, they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So I will say, I kind of debated this watch for a long time, and it got to where it's kind of hard to find. So I went ahead and pulled the trigger while I could still get one. I got this on Nordstrom Rack for $169. And the day after I purchased it, I looked and there were no more available. So I'm glad I went ahead and bought it when I did. I had the same model in the leather strap edition, and I got rid of it, and I always kind of regretted that. And so when I saw this one, I went ahead and purchased it. Let's take a look at it. So just a little pillow in there. So kind of interesting here. I kind of wonder if it came from a different retailer. Official Watch Deals is in there, and then it's got a address of a place in Houston. There is a proof of purchase card from Citizen. And then let's take a look at the watch itself. So, not sure how well you're going to be able to see that tag. So I always like this model because it's one of the few Citizen watches that are at least affordable that have a power indicator for the Echo Drive. Wow, the nice thing is the second hand, which I can be kind of picky about, hits the markers exactly on the marker. Bracelet is a brushed metal bracelet. It's not shiny, which is what I was looking for. Kind of dresses it down a little bit to where it can be worn a little more casual. Everything seems to be packaged really well. Not sure how well you're going to be able to see the case back. Let me see if I can move the bracelet out of the way and give you a look at it. It's just your typical Citizen Echo Drive. And it is a shiny case back. It is not a screw down crown. It does have a hacking movement, so when I pulled it out past the date window, it stops the second hand. Push it back in and get it going again. The one thing that a lot of people are kind of curious about, I'm the same way, is I love checking out the lume on watches. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to step aside, I'll cut off the light, and I will give you a look at the lume on this watch. I'm going to charge it up with my flashlight, and then hopefully you'll be able to see it okay. As with most Citizen watches, it has kind of the bluish tint lume. A lot of your Seiko watches use the green, and then Citizen watches tend to use the blue. Nice and bright. Unfortunately, the power indicator does not glow. Just your hour, minute hand markers and numbers. The second hand does not glow either, which is a little bit interesting. You can't see the second hand at nighttime. Anyway, that's a quick look at the loom shot, and that is a quick unboxing. I hope the video helps.